Alright folks, today we got a can of CF812 low pressure filler foam and a Mossberg model 185 bolt action shotgun with a model 12 choke on the end of it. And we got that choked all the way down, and we got some double aught buck, and we're going to see what happens when we hit this can with the double aught buck. Well, I couldn't tell what happened by looking at it, so we'll have to put it in slow-mo. Hopefully we'll get some good footage. Alright, I just realized I don't know where the can went, so I'm going to go see if I can find it. Yep, there it is. Kind of mangled.